Hi everyone, I'm here again to prepare some cold dish for today, which I have my cucumber. I think it's enough for me for one cucumber, and I have my tomato. This tomato is very crunchy and fresh, as you can see, but I do make with vinegar, so I don't need to use too much tomato, so that it's not too sour. And I show you, I have my new technique recipe for the hot weather. We have 40 to 43 degrees Celsius for today. So actually I have my cooked meat with crunchy, and I have my fresh basil, which I just tear off one branch into my garden. I have so much basil, so I just mix up into my cold foods for today. And I forget something. Let me take it. Another ingredients, it's a red onion. So let's start. So I have to wash all clean. Was all my ingredients. Also the water, I have to turn, and using the cold water, and pot it like this, or I can do also like this. Okay. And okay, then I need to peel a little bit. Just like this. It's clean, and 3 glass. Okay, and another one. So you know what, instead I have to slice this, I just grind, so that you just using your fork and easy to bite. Okay, so just grind, and it's more tasty. I'm using this, the bigger one. And just do it like this. It's not always like this. Yes. It depends to you whether you want to grind or slice. I have also the slice at that side, but I want them to so this is a different style. So after this, you can just slice all your ingredients. Just the cucumber, you have to grind it. And alright. I want to take all. Okay. Now just transfer to the middle and get ready for this onion. Red onion, for me it's better for the salad. It's more the taste for me. It's more yummy and crunchy. Okay, so just cut or slice this tomato. And just direct to mix everything. Like this. This onion, just slice into a thin one and just cut into half. Like this. Okay. Next, I have to cut some. Actually this one is just like ham. You can keep into your freezer. So I mean the chill. See? If you want that your ham very thin, then you can slice it and remove the a little bit hard at the so look at this. This is now like this is a ham. I just using my knife to cut it. I have no ham machine, slice machine, so I just using this. But it's okay. I can remove the hard one. So look at that. If you want more, then you may add it so that we can have a cold food today. And this is basil. I just grabbed from my garden, so just stir up and add like this. Just add the leaves, the young leaves. You don't need to put the hard one. Like this to make more yummy. Okay, and I have my secret ingredients to pour it. I have my apple cider vinegar, my salt, where's my okay, my sugar. So I have, and most of it, I have my extra virgin olive oil. Okay, and I have my, so half teaspoon of sugar or a little bit more. Okay, salt, not too much, and apple cider vinegar, 1, 2, 3. And olive oil, 1.5 spoon. Okay, then have to mix it. The program smells so yummy and very good. So this is very yummy salad. You can do it also into so many kind of you can put different kind of ingredients, but I used to do this. So this is now the basil made the salad so yummy and delicious. So look at this. So yummy. So let me try this salad what I make. Yummy. So easy, very simple to make your cold foods when the weather is so hot. Thanks for watching and see you again next videos. Bye.